8 years ago, Apple unveiled the first ever iPhone SE, a device crafted to deliver a budget-friendly option without sacrificing power or elegance. The concept struck a chord instantly, with many hailing it as the most beautifully designed iPhone ever created. Fast forward to 2025, Apple is gearing up to release the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4, the latest iteration of this beloved series. Expectations for this new model are sky high, fueled by rumors of major advancements in both hardware and aesthetics. Traditionally, the SE lineup has been a dependable alternative to older flagship iPhones, balancing cutting-edge performance with an affordable price tag. However, the forthcoming iPhone SE 4 appears ready to disrupt this trend entirely, with the potential to surpass even the iPhone 14, a 2-year-old model that still holds its ground as a reliable option. This raises an intriguing question: how will the iPhone SE 4 stack up against the iPhone 14? And could there still be compelling reasons to choose the latter over Apple's latest innovation? Starting with the design, the iPhone SE 4 is anticipated to embrace a significantly more contemporary look, potentially mirroring the sleek design of the iPhone 14. This would signify a clear shift away from the older, somewhat dated design language that has characterized the previous SE models. By adopting a fresher aesthetic, the SE 4 could appeal to a broader audience seeking a more stylish yet affordable iPhone. Furthermore, the rumored addition of an OLED display promises to deliver a vibrant and sharper visual experience compared to the LCD panels seen in earlier SE versions. Reports also suggest the inclusion of a USB-C port, aligning with Apple's gradual transition across its product lineup, as well as thinner bezels, giving the device a more premium and immersive screen-to-body ratio. If these features materialize, the SE 4 could significantly elevate its appeal among users looking for a budget-friendly device that doesn't compromise on modernity. Interestingly, if the SE 4 offers an OLED Super Retina XDR display similar to the iPhone 14, it could even challenge the latter's edge in visual quality, especially if it manages to deliver these enhancements at a much lower price point. On the hardware front, the upcoming iPhone SE 4 is rumored to make a significant leap in hardware capabilities, as it is expected to be powered by Apple's advanced A18 Bionic chip. This would represent a noticeable upgrade in performance compared to the iPhone 14, which comes equipped with the A15 Bionic processor. Although the A15 is still a solid and efficient chipset capable of handling most everyday tasks with ease, the addition of the A18 and the SE 4 could elevate its ability to manage resource-heavy applications, provide smoother multitasking, and optimize AI-driven functionalities. Furthermore, reports suggest that the iPhone SE 4 might feature 8 GB of RAM, marking a step up from the iPhone 14's 6 GB configuration. This boost in memory capacity is expected to significantly enhance the phone's overall speed and efficiency, particularly for users who rely on their devices for demanding apps or intensive workflows. In the camera department, the iPhone SE 4 might finally break away from its iconic single-camera design, which has been a staple of the SE series so far. Speculation points toward the inclusion of a 48-megapixel sensor, a significant upgrade that would reflect Apple's ongoing commitment to enhancing resolution and overall image quality in their devices. To put this into perspective, the iPhone 14 already features a 12-megapixel dual camera system, known for its exceptional performance in low light conditions and reliable versatility across various shooting scenarios. However, integrating a 48-megapixel sensor in the SE 4 could elevate its capabilities, offering users better detail, improved dynamic range, and crisper images. While casual photographers can expect excellent results from both models, the SE 4 may stand out as the ideal choice for those who prioritize capturing sharper and more detailed photographs. Battery life has consistently been a crucial aspect for Apple devices, and the iPhone SE 4 is anticipated to maintain this reputation by offering strong performance. This might be further enhanced by the efficiency gains brought by the advanced A18 Bionic chip, coupled with Apple's intelligent power management systems. Additionally, the adoption of USB-C charging is a noteworthy change that could not only introduce faster charging speeds but also enhance user convenience by aligning with the broader industry shift toward USB-C standards. In comparison, the iPhone 14, which provides respectable battery life paired with the older Lightning charging system, may appear somewhat outdated in this regard by the time the SE 4 makes its debut. When it comes to deciding between the iPhone SE 4 and the iPhone 14, the choice ultimately boils down to your personal preferences and priorities. If staying on the cutting edge of technology with the latest hardware, an updated and modern design, and innovative AI features matters most to you, the iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be the more forward-thinking choice. On the other hand, the iPhone 14 continues to be a solid and reliable option, offering a well-rounded experience for users who don't necessarily feel the need to have the newest advancements at their fingertips. While both devices are designed to serve different audiences, the iPhone SE 4 seems to be bridging the gap between affordability and premium features more than ever. So, which of these two models aligns better with your needs? Share your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear what you think. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates and comparisons. We'll catch you all in the next video.